Welcome back to the channel for another Ohio's first Buc-ee's construction update in Huber Heights, Ohio. Today is February the 7th, 2026.
It's 19 degrees as we sit here on Arts Road across from what will be the entrance to the new Buc-ee's. Still a lot of snow coverage out there. Looks like the big update that we can see this week from the construction standpoint is the traffic signals have been installed at the intersection of State Route 235 and the exit ramp from I-70. The small utility building on the back of the property, the plastic's been removed and they're out there actively working on it as we speak. The snowman is still in place, and it looks like a very large snow removal project going on across the construction site. They've got several trucks and pieces of equipment out there relocating that snow from the parking lot to the rear of the property.
That's a lot of snow to remove.
It sure is. Well, we're sure there's a lot of progress going on inside the building that we can't see. And as Sonia noted earlier, today is February 7th, so yesterday would mark the beginning of the 2-month countdown towards the grand opening.
Yep.
Last night, while we were shopping at Meijer down in Troy, Ohio, we ran into one of our subscribers. We're going to go ahead and put his picture in right here. His name is Son, and he's from Troy, Ohio. He told us he's been watching our videos since we first started this Buc-ee's construction series when it was just an empty field. So we really want to thank you for your support over all these last couple years watching these videos. He told us a little bit about himself while we were visiting. He's been to several different Buc-ee's across the country. He's looking forward to this one because it's going to be close to home and he can come down here and get a brisket sandwich without driving for several hours. So we're glad you stopped and said hi to us. It was great to meet you, and we'd like to thank you for all your support of the channel.
Yes, thank you very much. Well, that brings up a good question. So how long have you been watching our channel? Just kind of curious. You've been watching since the beginning, or did you just recently find it? Let us know in the comments below.
And hopefully you like some of the other videos we do besides these Buc-ee's construction updates, because in a couple months, they're going to be over.
Now, we'll still do the inside stuff, but it's not going to be as much drone footage.
I don't think they let me fly that drone in the store.
I don't think they will either.
These last couple of videos that we've brought you, the ground's been covered with snow, and a bunch of different places throughout the country have received a lot of snow these last couple weeks.
Yeah, and a little bit extra yesterday.
Yeah. How many people out there have had enough of winter and are looking forward to spring? But if you've had enough of this snow and you're ready for some warmer days, let us know down in the comments below.
Because I am. I'm over it.
I think that's going to do it for today. We'd like to thank you for joining us. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up.
And don't forget to hit the hype button.
Please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of these Buc-ee's construction update videos. As always, thanks for watching.
We'll see you down the road, and enjoy the video.
As we drove home from Dayton later that night, we drove by the Buc-ee's and they had the lights on, so we got the Insta 360 camera out. Captured this nighttime video for you. You can see the lights are on in both of the fuel pump islands as well as inside the store. This is the first time that we've seen the lights on here at the new Buc-ee's, so we thought we'd share it with you here. Here's a couple pictures from across the street from the Shell station. You can see inside that main entrance to the store. This is the south parking lot. You can see the signs that still need to be installed on the building. Up at the top of the screen, you can see the large 125-foot tall sign. It still needs to be installed. You also see some pieces of equipment here, removing some of the snow from the parking lot. A couple different places throughout the parking lot, they had a smaller Bobcat that was loading up these flatbed trucks. Flatbed trucks are bringing it back to this corner of the parking lot. This large piece of equipment would then scoop the snow up and take it towards the back of the property line there behind the parking lot. Back there you see a smaller Bobcat that would then take the snow that was dropped off by the larger piece of equipment and push it down into that retaining basin at the back of the property. There's quite a bit of snow in that parking lot that needed removed, so this was probably an all-day job. Here's a look at the retail store. You can see some of the snow removal in progress here to the left of the main entrance. See the spot where the Buc-ee statue is going to be placed, surrounded by barricades and covered with snow. Around the back of the building, you see they're clearing the snow out from the loading dock that's recently had the concrete poured. As we fly over the building here, you can see all the footprints in the snow on the roof of the building where they've been working on the different rooftop units. As we fly over the parking lot, you can see the south entrance to the Buc-ees off the State Route 235. So look at the south fuel pump island. We fly through the front parking lot. You can now see the north fuel pump island. They've also got some of the snow cleared in this north section of the parking lot. Here's a look at that small utility building that they've been working on at the back of the property. You can see that the plastic has been removed and quite a bit of progress has been revealed. They're actually working on it right here as we film this video. This is the interchange for I-70 and State Route 235. Here's a close-up look at the exit ramp from I-70 to State Route 235. You can see that the new traffic signals have been installed. This is State Route 235 in front of the construction site. This is the intersection of Buc-ee's Boulevard, Center Point Drive, and State Route 235. They've installed some new traffic signals on 3 of the 4 poles that hold up the overhead traffic signals at this intersection. You can see those in this short video here.